all you do is push down till you hear that snap. Pretty much it. So we got all 4. And they do have brakes, every single one of them. Alright guys, what we have here is 2 screws on this side and 2 screws on that side. We need to back these out maybe halfway with these hinges. The hinges go up. We're gonna go ahead and screw this on. Show you what this looks like. Check it out guys. So we're gonna need 4 bolts of A. That's our next step. And I gotta give Monument a big prop on this. So this is cool, man. So the letters are on there. We're gonna get 4. Check this out. Then you can clamp this back in together and everything stays in its place. That is pretty sweet. So make sure the vents are sitting down or downward, if you will. We get our 4 bolts, and there's 2 slots. If you guys can see them. Here's this piece right here, guys, for 4 F bolts. This side right here, guys, and it kind of just holds it there for you. It's pretty sweet. This swivels pretty nice and sweet, man. Pretty easy. For 4 A bolts. Back out this one on this side right here. So here's for the hook. These are for the hooks for you can hang your tools, and it's calling for 1 screw, but there's 3 holes. And the screw is going to be A. Screw tightly. As you can see, this is where D goes. Put it in place. It kind of holds itself. It's doable. So check this out. In this little bag, it contained this right here, and it also contained this knob. So after looking at the instructions, we're gonna put this little, put it through that little slot. Make sure these 2 set holes, or these 2 slots right here, are set with these right here. That's where the screws are gonna go. Just right there, just like that. Now this guy right here, see the 2 little slots? That's where the 2 little screws are gonna go. I did have to push the gas wire inside the pit because it was like way out here, just so it can fit in there. Nice and gentle, guys, nice and gentle. We don't want to break that board there, that electrical board. That's it.